Welcome back to my channel. I'm Anu. Today I'm going to make Doi Maach. It is one of the most loved dishes in Bengali cuisine. It's a very popular and traditional fish curry. It's made in spicy curd gravy. If you're a fish lover, I recommend you to have it once. If you like this recipe, then please do hit the like button and share it with your friends. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Powder and garam masala powder. Next we have to add whisked curd, 1 cup I've taken, and let it cook for 10 minutes. Then we have to add desi ghee with some garam masala powder on top. Let it boil for some time. As you can see, the oil has already come out. On top, then we have to sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves on top. So our Doi Maach is ready. Friends, you can serve it hot with steamed rice and enjoy with your friends and families.